In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave or remove a LinkedIn group on mobile. If your Groups tab feels cluttered or you simply want to stop receiving updates from a community, I'll walk you through the exact steps on the LinkedIn mobile app with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your LinkedIn app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is up to date so the menus look the same as what you see here. At the top of the screen, tap your profile icon. This is usually your photo and opens a menu where you can access your account options. From that menu, look for the Groups option and tap it. This takes you to a list of all the groups you're currently a member of. On this Groups page, scroll until you find the group you want to leave. To remove yourself from a group, tap the three dots next to that group's name. That three-dot icon is the More menu. From the options that appear, choose Leave this group. LinkedIn will show a confirmation message letting you know that once you leave, you'll no longer receive posts, notifications, or updates from that group. If you're sure, tap Leave to confirm. The group will immediately be removed from your list and you won't see new content from it in your feed. A few quick notes to keep things clear. Leaving a group only affects your membership. It doesn't delete the group itself, and it doesn't notify other members that you left. If you change your mind later, you can search for the group again and request to rejoin, depending on the group's settings. If you don't see the Groups option in the menu, make sure you tapped your profile icon and not the search bar, and try scrolling the menu if you have many items. Also, the wording in the menu may vary slightly by device or app version, but the three-dot More button next to each group is what you're looking for. If the Leave option isn't available, you may already be out of the group, or the group may have special membership rules. In that case, refresh the page and check again. You can repeat these steps for any other groups you want to leave. It's a simple way to keep your LinkedIn experience focused on the communities that matter most to you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.